Now we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this range, we mentioned about the different possibility, and even we mentioned we can look for this flat for one more drop, and this is exactly what we get. Anyway, after that we didn't have any update, and if anyone get the trade within this one, I think right now they should be quite careful and they should start to manage, because we want to see whether the price can break this previous top or not. All right, anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to daily chart. Based on daily chart, we are looking for this correction. We want to see whether we can get the continuation or not. And in this case, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. All right. Anyway, based on forward chart, they have been looking for this correction. And now we want to see whether this is the start of the up move, or still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. That means still we can look for this one as a internal flat for one more drop. That's why I mentioned based on 1 hour chart, whoever get the trade within this, they have to start to manage and now want to see whether the price can break the previous stop or not. Because based on daily chart right now, we don't have any trade set up. And in this case, we move to forward 1 hour chart. All right. As I mentioned, there is a possibility we can look for this one as an internal correction for one more drop. That means this one can tend to a deeper correction. The way is moving. That's why if we want to look for the trade, we have to see the breakout of this. Then if we get a flag, we can look for trade, or we have to wait and see what we get here. We have to get the correction. Then from there, we can make a decision whether we should look for the continuation or not. And right now, we cannot jump into the trade, and having a trade of this is not a good idea. That's why we wait and we're looking at this correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.